Hey there, fellow shoppers. Welcome to another episode of Online Shopping Adventures. We've all been there. That split second after clicking place your order when you realize, wait, no! It's that heart-stopping moment when you know you've made a mistake. Maybe you accidentally ordered 3 dog leashes instead of 1. Or perhaps you added an extra 0 and now have 10 of something you only needed 1 of. Or maybe that new blender you just had to have suddenly seems less essential. You start questioning your life choices and wonder why you even thought you needed it in the first place. Whatever the reason, don't panic. Take a deep breath and relax. There's a solution to this common problem. Canceling an Amazon order is easier than you think. With just a few clicks, you can undo that accidental purchase. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to cancel your Amazon order step by step. We'll make sure you know exactly what to do. We'll also sprinkle in some fun facts about Amazon because, let's be honest, who doesn't love a good stat? Did you know Amazon ships over 1.6 million packages a day? So, grab your phone or laptop, no judgment here, and let's get that order canceled. Whether you're on the go or at home, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at managing your Amazon orders. Let's dive in and fix that little oops moment together. Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about the why. People cancel Amazon orders for all sorts of reasons. Maybe you found a better deal elsewhere. Maybe you realized you ordered the wrong size, color, or even item entirely. Life happens, and sometimes that means hitting the brakes on an online purchase. Whatever your reason, know that you're not alone. Millions of Amazon orders get canceled every year. You've got this. Okay, ready to cancel that order? Let's walk through the process step by step. Here's how. Step 1, go to Amazon.com and log into your account. You know the drill. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your account. Step 2, click on your orders. This is where all your past and current orders are listed. This is usually located in the top right corner of the page. It's easy to find. Just look for the drop-down menu. Step 3, find the order you want to cancel and click on it. Scroll through your list of orders until you locate the specific one. It'll take you to the order details page. Here you can see all the information about your order. Step 4, look for the cancel order button and click it. This button is usually prominently displayed. You might need to select a reason for canceling, but don't worry, it's nothing too personal. Just choose the option that best fits your situation, and you're done. Section 4, Amazon by the numbers. A quick look at the giant. While that order is canceling, hopefully, did you know that Amazon ships over 1.6 million packages every single day? That's a lot of cardboard boxes. And get this. In 2022, Amazon generated over $469 billion in revenue. To put that in perspective, that's more than the GDP of many countries. Okay, back to canceling that order. Section 5, cancellation confirmation. What happens next? Once you've clicked cancel order, Amazon will usually process your request right away. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Keep an eye on your inbox. If the order is successfully canceled, you'll get your money back. It might take a few days for the refund to appear in your account, depending on your bank or credit card company. Section 6. Need more help? Amazon's got your back. Whether it's a question about your order or a technical issue, Amazon's customer service is always ready to assist you. If you run into any trouble canceling your order, don't hesitate to contact Amazon customer service. They are trained to handle a variety of issues and can guide you through the process step by step. They're available 24/7 to help you out. No matter the time of day or night, you can reach out to them for assistance. You can find their contact information on the Amazon website. Simply navigate to the Contact Us section, and you'll see various ways to get in touch. And there you have it. With Amazon's dedicated support, you can resolve your issues quickly and efficiently. Canceling your Amazon order doesn't have to be a stressful experience. With the right guidance, it can be a smooth and straightforward process. Just follow these easy steps, and you'll be able to cancel your order without any hassle. And you'll be back to browsing for your next impulse buy in no time. Happy shopping! Remember, Amazon is always there to support you, ensuring a seamless shopping experience every time.